The path begins where the cliffs lean in and the sea listens closely. Cala Barques isn't a beach. It's a pause in time, carved in limestone and held by light. Here, the water speaks a language of blues, and each wave brings back a story older than the stones. You're not just walking along the coast, you're walking into something elemental. Did you know? Cala Barques is the largest of the four coves in Cala Sant Vicenç, framed by steep cliffs and ancient caves. Its name comes from the small fishing boats, barques, that once anchored here before tourism ever arrived. The sand is fine and golden, but beneath the surface lies fossil-rich rock, millions of years old. Some forget that this beach was once used by smugglers under moonlight, hiding goods beneath the cliffs. Waves here often reflect the mood of the mountains, calm when the wind is low, wild when it howls. Did you know? Cala Barques has long been known for its seafront restaurants, serving traditional Mallorcan dishes with quiet pride. The scent of grilled fish and payamboli often travels faster than the wind, announcing lunch before the menus do. You'll find frito Mallorquin, tumbet, and fresh squid, recipes passed down like heirlooms through generations. Some locals claim the best sobrasada in the north is found in the small kitchen, just meters from the sand. It's not about fine dining here. It's about fresh octopus, good oil, a view of the sea, and time that's never rushed. The restaurant terraces are usually full by noon. Families, hikers, and swimmers sharing olives and stories. Did you know? Some of the kitchens still use old clay ovens and keep their wine cooled the traditional way, underground. The food here doesn't try to impress. It simply belongs, like the cliffs, like the breeze. Did you know? In winter, Cala Barques is nearly silent, with only locals walking at sunrise, feeding birds by hand. Just above the beach, prehistoric burial caves, Cuevas do Alzinar, sleep in the rock, dating back over 20,500 years. The water's clarity draws divers from all over the island. Visibility often stretches 30 meters below. Did you know? The wild goats of Cala Sant Vicenç aren't truly wild. They're locals, just like the olive trees. They descend from mountain breeds that have wandered this coast for generations, choosing cliffs over fences. Some say the goats know the tourists better than the tourists know the goats. You'll often spot them near the trails, watching with calm eyes, curious, but never in a hurry. Did you know? They're known to gently accept bits of fruit or bread, but only if trust is offered first. Children laugh, cameras click, and for a moment, nature and people share a quiet handshake. Their hooves grip limestone like poetry clings to silence. balanced, instinctive, perfect. Some forget that goats were among the island's first companions, long before roads, hotels, or maps. They walk these cliffs like they own the place, and maybe, just maybe, they still do. As Joan Perucho once wrote, "In the eyes of the animal, we glimpse what we've forgotten, how to be unafraid of stillness."
Derrota, bro. Twice.
Did you know? Cala Vicenç sits on the edge of the Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO-protected mountain range that shapes the soul of northern Mallorca. The sea here it is backed by silence, broken only by wind, goat hooves, and distant voices bouncing off rock. The cliffs above are woven with old footpaths once used by shepherds and fishermen, now followed by hikers and dreamers. Some forget that just beyond these coves lie prehistoric burial sites, Roman roots, and stories never fully told. Did you know? On clear days, you can see the curve of Cap Formentor in the distance, Mallorca's final whisper into the sea. This land is made of layers: limestone, memory, salt, and time. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Or if he's only doing it. This is what we should do. The dolphins onward.
¿Me sacas una foto, por favor?
Mira, yo no digo nada, pero lo digo todo. Nuestro tren sale en 10 minutos. Tú ya speak Spanish. ¿Qué hora es? Y 32. Sale, bueno, sale 50. Mi canción pongo 8:32. 5. Aquí para los idiomas de fronteras. Soñaba que te besaba. Soñaba que te besaba. Mira por la lava. Ahora dale, sin miedo. Siguiente parada, Ibiza. Sin miedo.
The path doesn't end, it just becomes quieter. You've seen limestone giants in sea-level stillness, heard goat calls in the hush between cliffs. Some places are loud with history, others, like this one, are full of presence. Here, the island speaks in shade, stone, and sea, and if you listen closely, it speaks just to you. As Maria Antonia Salva once wrote, "To walk in Mallorca is not to escape the world, but to return to it, slowly, fully, truly." If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.